family pulled up.
Make sure you pull up. Get some of the best pizza on the East Coast.
You are ready. You are ready.
Got Keith Lee on the pull up.
I'm gonna keep it real with you.
Oh man. Cuts and slices.
Cuts and slices.
Cuts and slices. $100 pie.
First bite review.
Hey man, listen man.
Oh my God.
9.7.
All the way from Atlanta.
This is about a year now, right?
Oxtail slice.
All the way from the Virgin Islands.
We're from North Pole, Alaska.
26 miles for cuts and slices. I gotta give everybody a slice on me. Bro. Pull up, beloved. We here. Cuts and slices. We're a black-owned specialty pizzeria, changing the pizza game. When you think of pizza, you automatically think of Italians making pizza and putting sauce and cheese on pizza, but we're changing that whole narrative of what people actually think belongs on pizza.
We have amazing toppings that blow your mind when you come in.
We got sweet chili oxtail, brown stew oxtail, chicken, turkey, bacon, black truffle Alfredo.
Shrimp, it's chopped cheese.
Sweet chili salmon. Woo! Change your life.
We got brown stew oxtail, sweet chili oxtail, curry oxtail, sugar cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies. We got sangrias on deck, just ask Ram and Tamika. I'm Trinidadian. My mom definitely taught me how to cook, which gave me probably is my first passion for food. A lot of the curries and you know what I'm saying? That's all from my background. My teenage years into my late 20s, I worked in a lot of different restaurants, from 5-star restaurants to chain restaurants to Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin Robbins. Y'all ready? Tamika, you ready? I don't know. Let's go.
And I worked for a major airline. I've been a flight attendant for almost 15 years. That's my background in customer service. He's really hands-on. I'm there doing anything in the back end, paperwork that needs to be done, or anything with the guys behind the scenes. Like we're doing it there, but I don't like it there, we have to put it here or there. You can't really I've learned a lot from major airline on how to communicate and how to handle employees and staff.
McLaren Kick Shop. I pretty much ran an exclusive sneaker business in New York City. I started selling sneakers out of the trunk of my car and just started doing concierge service for all of the celebs and athletes that would try to get exclusive sneakers, Supreme, Babe, anything exclusive, I pretty much have my hands on it. Y'all want what? Y'all need one of these? Look, I had a really good friend who I did a few sneaker deals with, and his family owned pizzerias growing up. He talked me into it. First time he called me, he's like, yo, a pizzeria barbershop. Call it Cuts and Slices. And I was like, what? That's stupid.
I remember that call.
My friend had already went ahead and did the LLC. It was already called Cuts and Slices. So that's when I came up with the concept. I'm like, every time I walk into a pizzeria, I would always see, all right, they got buffalo chicken, that looks good. They got barbecue chicken, that looks good. So we did Cuts and Slices where you can get a half of a slice. You could try way more options at one time. So you get 4 cuts.
We don't do that anymore though.
Yeah. Well, 2 months into my friend talking me into this business, he came back to me and said, yo, this is way too much work. This is insane. We actually just closed on our first home the same month that we opened up Cuts and Slices. And we had to do a full gut renovation.
February 2018.
Ashley was working and dealing with the house. I had to focus on being there 7 days.
I had to step in. I'm his biggest supporter, you know, it was my husband's idea. We had a lot of people for the grand opening, and then a couple days after that, it was like, all right, now what?
There's over 8,000 pizzerias in New York City.
And then we didn't have as many pizzas like we do now. We didn't
have the space. This was the entire shop. Literally, this was just a window here. Yeah, this was just this side.
5 people, maybe, tops could fit in there.
This, from here, was the shop only.
That was it. And you said, excuse me?
This was the shop. Our pizza case was right here, and this was our entire kitchen. I remember maybe the first 6 months into it, like, I was coming home stressed out, coming home like, damn, we're not making no money. And Ashley's like, babe, if this doesn't work in the next 2 months, you should probably close it down. And I was like, so this is the beginning of Cuts and Slices. I was still you know, selling McLaren. I was still serving sneakers. I was still like grinding. It was coming here picking up sneakers, Supreme.
It was tough in the beginning to get people to come in.
We're not open till 12 o'clock. Regular cheese, come back in like 20 minutes. Josh, make me a cheese pie, please.
Randy just wanted to start doing like shrimp and it sold out. We're like, oh, we have some like a sneaker release. Like, we only had like 40 pies that came in, and sold out. So then after that, we were like, oh, we have to start dropping pizzas. Like they drop sneakers. That worked out pretty good. 25 pies today, every pie is numbered. First 25 people to pull up and purchase a pie, get a free drink.
One oxtail, one shrimp, you get an oxtail free. One buffalo chicken and an oxtail, you get a lobster and
Give
shrimp.
them all cuts of chicken and waffles on me. Where else you gonna get this? Nowhere. We would do something to market it to where you like, oh, wait a minute, I gotta be one of these 25 people to have this pie. Our pizza's exclusive. You can't order our pizza on Uber Eats, DoorDash. You can't order it on any app. We don't do any deliveries.
You have to pull up, beloved.
Only way for you to get our pizza is to pull up, beloved. The hype that's behind sneakers and when something is hot, I pretty much just took that and did it with the pies.
Throw your slice in the light box, take your Instagram picture, make sure you tag.
That's how social media helps you build. It's all about that now. And this was something that she got me on too, because I was not trying to get on TikTok. She had a TikTok before me and she kept on telling me about TikTok and I was like, oh, I don't need that for cuts and slices. As soon as we started posting videos on there, they started going viral.
Yeah.
Shout out to the people.
Yeah.
Because like, yeah, we've never spent $1 on marketing, but the people is what helps us grow.
Yeah.
My man Randy, he got the Cuts and Slices pizza shop in Brooklyn. So I'm like, yo, you think you can make me a pie, just the crust? He like, you serious, Kiss? I'm like, yeah, man, just make it. Just try it for me. So he made it. I went by and got it. Everybody was laughing. I enjoyed it.
Maybe a year later, we go viral.
I get a sweet chili oxtail, regular oxtail.
A beauty salon was next door. It went out of business during COVID. We ended up getting next door. We was blessed. We expanded. We turned this side into the store. We added more refrigeration.
Originally, this was gonna be like sit down.
Yeah, we originally.
But COVID.
We open. How you doing? Peace. How you doing?
Past couple Saturdays been really busy. People be lining up at the door from 12 o'clock till 10 o'clock till we close.
Chicken parmesan, jerk shrimp. I got a chicken turkey bacon black truffle Alfredo coming out right now. We got patties today. We got these squash and lentil patties. We got
Oxtail patty.
We only have curry oxtail.
And I'll take the brown so I feel like.
Can we get 2 slices out of this, please?
These are his patties, right? Now I'm about to post on the gram, on TikTok. We don't pay for any marketing. Love it here. It was viewed by over 2 million people.
Curry shrimp, jerk shrimp, sweet chili shrimp. We got jerk barbecue sandwich.
Lobster and shrimp.
It's the Hawaiian.
And then I started telling Ashley, like, yo, I think our pages might be shadow banned or something. She's like, no, babe, I think people are tired of seeing the pizza.
The same content. I said, you need to go on there and interview people. See what they say, get feedback.
Who the f made this?
I did.
What's your name?
Stunner.
It's probably my favorite TikTok now.
So this is for all my MTA brothers and sisters. I beat y'all to the point.
All right now. Stunner, talk to me.
I knew it.
Where did you guys pull up from today?
We came from Philly.
Philly. How long was the drive? 2-hour drive to Cuts and Slices. Here for the first time. Just in the past week, I've gotten like South Carolina, Florida. It's really becoming like a New York City destination.
Kansas City. They came right off the plane. They had their bags with them. They didn't even go to their hotel.
Didn't even go check in yet.
We from Pittsburgh, PA, the city of Pittsburgh. I follow you on Instagram. That's fine. It's good. It's good.
Where you pulled up from today? Jersey City.
That's like an hour and something in traffic.
Right.
A lot of time to come and try something that we've created is
Amazing.
amazing.
You got all of the oxtails?
Chicken lobster.
You got curry oxtail?
No, I got the
I got the beef stew.
You don't gotta talk to me. I'm gonna get you a curry oxtail. The celebrity customers are becoming regular. Like Yachty used to pull up to Cuts and Slices and just get pizza. I would just see it on social media after.
Oh my God.
Shout out to Questlove.
Shout out to Questlove. Stood online for 30 minutes like a regular customer. Nobody recognized Questlove. You know this guy from Love and Hip Hop? We're like, no, we don't.
No.
But they didn't know who Questlove from The Roots were. And the only reason we knew about it is because customers online took pictures with him.
Oxtail. Have you ever had oxtail?
Yeah, not on a pizza though.
I think that's how Cuts and Slices have grown, because people fall in love with our pizza.
Very good.
And they want to tell other people about the product.
Guillermo, you want one?
Yeah, sure.
All right, you take
So it's
one.
really just grown off of word of mouth.
You become a family with all the different people that support.
Oh, wow. That's good.
You go to all these different neighborhoods and they have amazing places that you can eat. And then you come to our communities and we do have signature like Caribbean restaurants. We are putting this in our communities so that our people can also enjoy quality, delicious meals. We get great products to put on this pizza, and we're trying to show people that our community eats just like any other community. We eat good. We spend money just like any other, and we're not really, we wish we could take it down a little, but oxtail's expensive.
After I get all this oxtail, I'm gonna go in even more and comb through it, so there's no more bones.
You buy here.
Every morning, about 5 pans worth at least.
Where you pulling up from today?
From the Bronx.
From the BX?
Buzzing.
I'm gonna get you an oxtail slice on me. All right. Oh, this is pizzas for you, Ma. I complimented you here. The curry oxtail is hot if you want to try that. Okay. And this is 2 slices of chicken and waffle, fresh out the oven. Man, how we looking?
Looking
Sweet
good.
chili oxtail?
Coming out right now.
Usually, I come in super high. I smoke. I'll get a little creative, and I'll come up with the pizza. Looked at my last truffle bill, it was kind of crazy. Truffles are expensive right now. And then I'll let the staff try it.
My favorite slice, I got a few of them. The sweet chili oxtail, turkey bacon chicken Alfredo, and the garlic parmesan shrimp. Oh yeah, I got a whole bunch of them. Right here, couple of them. Battle scars for the people.
It's just you gotta be on it. You gotta be fast. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know what everybody else is doing. You gotta know the toppings.
It's a quarter.
Yeah, so you can choose your favorite 4 toppings, get it on a quarter of a pie.
We color coordinate the different cutters for the shrimp as a blue cutter.
I'm just grateful because it's like, this is special. Like, I don't see any other pizzeria in Newton. This is more than a pizzeria. This is a lifestyle.
This job really told me that I could do anything I put my mind to. Because there was a lot of stuff that I just counted myself out on, or I just doubted just by the sound of it. But actually taking the time and effort to try it and do it, I figured I could do anything.
It doesn't stop when we close our doors at night and in the morning. We're always there for our employees. We're always there for our community. We try to give back. We just had a block party.
If you have a passion for shoes, or if you ever loved shoes or collected shoes, it's always a dream to maybe one day design your own shoe. Nobody ever thinks about actually doing that, especially if you're not a basketball player or a rapper, or I'm just, to be honest with you, like I'm a high school dropout. They told me I would never make it out to be anything. You know what I'm saying? I'm a successful black business owner, and I have my own sneaker with a global company. Like, I can't even put into words how that makes me feel, honestly, just seeing my shoes sold in countries I've never been to. This is the Queens location, Queens Cuts and Slices. This is historic in our community anyway. I don't know if you guys ever seen the movie Belly, when DMX pulls up on Nas, and the feds had ran down on Keisha, and he's like, I gotta go call Keisha, let's go down to Linden and use the payphone. This is the block that they walk down. Right hand, they actually walk past what will be Cuts and Slices on 205th and Linden, and he used the payphone right on this corner, Nas and DMX. We did bigger ovens here. We have a full kitchen here. We have fryers and grills, and we have a walk-in refrigerator here. So we probably gonna have a lot more space to feed the community. I want it to be where you're like, oh my gosh, Cuts and Slices started in Brooklyn, and now I can get it in Miami, Atlanta, London, Los Angeles, London. Like, I ideally see this being everywhere because it's something that's so unique and we're in our own lane with this.
Everybody come from different places, you know, everybody got a lot of things going on at home, but when you come here, it's like a big family.